Two males succumbed to injuries in Spanish Town crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A team of officers assigned to the St. Catherine North Traffic Department are probing the circumstances surrounding the death of two men on Brunswick Avenue, Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Thursday, June 24. The deceased has been identified as 52-year-old Herman Williams of North Monticello Crescent, Spanish Town, St. Catherine, and an unidentified man. Reports are that about 9:30 p.m., Williams was driving a Mazda motor car with an unidentified passenger heading towards Spanish Town, St. Catherine, when upon reaching a section of the roadway, Williams allegedly lost control of the vehicle and collided into a perimeter wall. Both Williams and the unidentified man sustained multiple injuries and were taken to the hospital, where both men succumbed to their injuries. The Spanish Town police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching, and we'll have an updated report to come on this story in a later newscast.